Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and I just came across some good information that perhaps you had not seen or heard yet. But Kia is recalling nearly 300,000 vehicles for engine compartment fire risk. What cars are affected with this recall are 2011 through 2013 Optima hybrid, 2012 Sport Gauge, 2012 through 2013 Sorento, and 2012 through 2013 Forte and Koup with the 2.4 liter Data 2 engine, and the 2014 through 2015 Forte Koup and Forte and Soul with the 2.0-liter new engine. Kia is going to start notifying the owners of these vehicles by January 27 of next year. Now, when you take it to the dealer, what are they going to do? First, they're going to inspect the engine compartment, make the necessary repair, and perhaps replace the engine. Also, if you have made work on your car pertaining to this recall, according to what I'm reading, it is saying that Kia is going to reimburse owners. It doesn't say nothing about a receipt, but you should have a receipt with the work you have done. Now, NASDA, in the meantime, NASDA is saying to be alert for engine noise, the engine light, also the low oil light, fuel smell, burning smell, oil leaking, and smoke. These are the things you must look for in your car before the recall begins. So once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.